In this video, we'll demonstrate how to replace the fridge sensor for the model 1907-33. Disconnect the power supply. Remove every shelves and basket in the fridge compartment. Remove the drawer partition. Remove the light cover. Remove the light socket and disconnect the light. Loosen the screw. Pull out the back panel. Separate the foam from the back panel to replace the fridge sensor. Remove the fridge sensor. With your new fridge sensor, make sure it's properly in position. Replace the wire through the foam. Reconnect lights and fridge sensor. Replace foam and back panel in the proper position. Make sure they are all clipped together. This completes the installation.